The video is a comprehensive visual output from a DNN-based healthcare model, titled Stethoscope Health Trends Over Time with Risk Indicators, model by Pradeep K. Suri. It demonstrates how a deep neural network, DNN, processes multi-feature patient data, example vitals, lifestyle, age, and outputs a predicted health index over time, with emphasis on day 10 risk classification. Magnifying glass tilted left image breakdown. 1 chart increasing line chart, health trends over time. X-axis, days tracks each patient's health over 10 days, day 1 to day 10. Y-axis, health index values from 0 to 100, output from the DNN, example sigmoid regression. Lines, each represents one patient, A, E. Purpose, highlights fluctuations in predicted wellness over time. 2 bar chart, day 10 risk zones. Located to the right of the line chart, it presents DNN predicted health index on day 10. Each bar is color-coded based on risk category. Green circle green, patient B, greater than or equal to 85, healthy. Yellow circle yellow, patients A, C, D, E, 70 to 84.9, watch list. Red circle red, not shown here, but logic supports it if index 70. 3 brown square shaded background risk zones. These zones provide intuitive risk levels behind a line chart. Color zone range meaning. Green circle green 85 to 100 normal health. Yellow circle yellow 70 to 84.9 moderate risk. Red circle red 70 high risk. This visually connects daily predictions to critical thresholds in patient health. For brain DNN context. Behind this visualization is a trained deep neural network, which accepts multi-feature inputs like heart rate, BP, BMI, O2 levels, etc. Passes them through multiple hidden layers. Outputs a health index, regression, or risk category, classification. Pushpin clinical interpretation. White heavy checkmark patient B shows excellent improvement and stability. Warning patients A, C, D, E fall in the risk zone at day 10, need monitoring, preventive care, or re-evaluation. Exclamation mark no patients currently in high risk, 70, but this setup will flag such trends immediately. White heavy checkmark use case in real healthcare. Feature value. DNN model predicts patient condition using nonlinear feature mapping. Visual dashboard, Plotly, communicates results clearly to clinicians and managers. Automated risk classification enables preemptive response before deterioration. Time series and snapshot combined offers both trajectory and point-in-time decision support. Puzzle piece next step, live health monitoring dashboard, Plotly Dash. Wrench features. Chart increasing real-time health index trends for each patient. Bar chart daily risk assessment bar chart with red/yellow/green zones. Stethoscope patient profile lookup, age, vitals, history. Police car light automatic alerts for high risk, 70. Counterclockwise arrows button data refresh from CSV or Excel upload. Database, example PostgreSQL, MongoDB. Link future, HL7 or FHIR API, live hospital data. Card index dividers architecture plan. Module technology purpose. DNN model TensorFlow/Keras predict health index. Front-end dashboard Plotly Dash interactive web UI. Data source, mock/real, CSV/HL7/FHIR patient info, vitals, test history. Backend logic Python data transformation and scheduling. Pushpin what I'll provide. 1 repeat button dash app layout with live chart and bar graphs. 2 outbox tray CSV upload module for new patient data. 3 electric plug placeholder code for future FHIR integration. 4 brain real-time DNN prediction pipeline. 5 white heavy checkmark working demo with 5 patients, like A, E. Perfect. Let's build real-time DNN prediction pipeline for patient health monitoring using Plotly Dash. This will simulate incoming patient data, run it through a trained DNN model, and update the dashboard automatically. Brain real-time DNN prediction pipeline architecture. Gear core components. Module purpose. Brain DNN model predict health index from patient vitals. Counterclockwise arrows button data generator simulates real-time patient vitals. Alembic pre-processing normalizes input, example min-max scaler. Bar chart Plotly interactive, auto-refreshing dashboard. Receipt display line trends plus day summary bars with risk coloring. White heavy checkmark step-by-step plan. White heavy checkmark step 1, train and save the DNN plus scaler. Input, HR, BP, O2, temp, age, BMI, etc. Output, health index, 0 to 100. Save model as .h5, scaler as .pkl. White heavy checkmark step 2, real-time data simulation. Generate random values per patient every 5 to 10 seconds. In real hospital setup, replace with HL7/FHIR API stream. White heavy checkmark step 3, live prediction engine. Load model plus scaler. Predict on incoming patient data. Append predictions to dashboard stream. White heavy checkmark step 4, Plotly-UI. Auto refreshing. Line chart of health index over time. Day-wise risk bar chart, with rag colors. Legend plus patient filters. Rocket ready to generate. Would you like me to? 1. DNN model training and save script first. 2. Or directly build a live app with preloaded model plus simulated patient feed. Thank you.